It's a fantastic event. I think it's really well organised. From my point, it's one of the better attended regionalised events that I've been to. So far, delegates seem to be really enjoying the amount of information they've got at hand, seeing all the different equipment as well as looking deeper into the actual dentist. So yeah, really well attended, really well organised, and been great fun to be a part of. Yeah, I mean 3D printing in dental is sort of, it's been considered in its infancy. However, with the PolyJet technology and the ability to print multicolour and multi-materials at once, it really is sort of time to explode now. We're really excited about the future of it.
The event is great, it's fantastically organized. The conversations have been also great because I'm learning a lot about the needs of the customers, and the customers are learning a lot about the capabilities of the technology and let's say the chance they have to use this technology to produce consistent and high aesthetic work. This is a technology which is groundbreaking. It's a technology which is really enabling customers to be more important in the market and also be really way more productive, more consistent, you know, all the benefits for a lab. And also important to mention, to have a better life quality, because the whole workflow will be improved by that.
Yeah, it's been great. Just want to say thanks to everyone for having me here. They put on a really good show. Lots of great talkers. Did a live demonstration of the J5 as well, just to see its capabilities. Really impressed with that. Software looks brilliant. Really easy to get your head around.
Yeah, brilliant. Actually, today is a very nice day. I get a lot of information regarding the new material that the Stratasys innovate. So it's a quite interesting day, and yeah, I'm happy to come here and visit you. And it's a very nice area, very nice printer. So yeah, it's very nice day.
Today's event has been great, really informative. We're taking delivery of a J5 early next week. We're already ahead of the curve a little bit on its capabilities. We're really excited about the TrueDent, about our really accurate implant models that we're going to be able to produce, and our surgical guides. It's going to be a real bonus for our laboratory.
I thought it's been really good. It's been full of information. We have a printer ourselves, so it's been really good to like come down, see the guys, like see how everything works. Yeah, I've really liked it.
So it's been a fantastic day here at SYS Systems. We've held one of our digital lab days where we've been showing all the customers the opportunity to take advantage of the J5 DentaJet. It's been absolutely brilliant. People really seeing how the ROI is going to be paying back for them on the digital denture side of things, as well as creating models for crown and bridge and implantology. If you didn't get a chance to come along, then do take the opportunity to come and see us at the DTS show in May at the NEC. It's the 16th and 17th. And as you're aware, our doors are always open. So if you want to come and have a demonstration at our facility here in Derby, please do get in touch with us.